What y'all know about candy cane, huh? You know about candy cane infused vodka that we turn into hot chocolate? Check this bad boy out. So we get some candy cane, break them up into little parts, okay, and put it in a bottle. Come behind it with some vodka. And broken candy cane's easy to find. Just go to the store, buy candy cane. Trust me, they all broken, so you good to go. Shake, shake, shake. Eventually it'll dissolve. So we get hot milk. Now we come behind with our candy cane vodka, as much as you need, okay? The pinker, the more potent, you understand? Then we come behind with some hot chocolate mix. Now you could use the brown or you could use the white. White is more wintry looking, so I love the white one, okay? Come behind that with some whipped cream, beautiful. Put on some mini marshmallows. Now watch this now. And now we come behind that with crushed candy cane. All those broken bits, just muddle a couple of those, and now you got it. Put on a giant candy cane snack. Merry Christmas! Say hello to Santa for me.